So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Jayanto ABC English, and I hope that you are all fit and fine by the grace of Lord Krishna. So right now I am standing in our vegetable garden. So my father, he has planted lots of vegetable like sugarcane, tomato, brinjal, beetle, garlic, onion, banana, lots of things, and also garlic and bottle gourd. Behind me, this is called fans. Fans means bera. You know why it has made? You might have question that why it has made. কেন এটি তৈরি করা হয়েছে? In order to don't enter any cattle inside this vegetable garden. So remember this. This is called fans. And there are lots of things I wanna show you. This is called sugarcane tree, and there are lots of sugarcane, and this sugarcane also planted my father. So this is called aram. And what is this? Do you know what is the name of this tree? This tree's name is drumstick. আমরা যে ড্রাম বাজাই, ড্রাম সেট, সেজন্য সজনাগুলো দেখতে এত বড় নড়ির মতো, সেজন্য we can say it drumstick tree. You might have question that you have been learning English and you are making video. Why? Because I want to improve myself in order to improve and in order to enhance myself. So আমি ইংলিশ শিখতেছি একটাই কারণ যে আমাকে আমার এক্সপিরিয়েন্সটাকে উন্নত করতে হবে। সো আমি কেন ভিডিও বানাচ্ছি? ভিডিও বানানোর মেইন কারণ হচ্ছে আমাকে ইংলিশ শিখতে হবে, যে আমি কোথায় কোথায় ভুল করতেছি ইংলিশ শেখার সময়, সেই ভিডিওগুলো আমি দেখতে পারবো আমার ফোনে। At the same time, I can upload this video on my YouTube channel and Facebook. So you can learn English with me. So আমি যাচ্ছি, আমি ইংলিশ শিখবো, at the same time আপনিও ইংলিশ শিখতে পারবেন আমার ভিডিওর মাধ্যমে। That's why I am making this kind of video, and also I am improving myself. You know why I am talking like this? Because of fluency. I want to get fluency. আমি fluency পেতে চাই for speaking English, ইংলিশ শেখার জন্য। So I have no other way that I can practice. So I have no any friends with whom I can practice my English. I have environment, I have lots of work, and while I am working at our house, that time I am practicing English. তখন আমি প্র্যাকটিস করতেছি। সো আমার কাছে তত টাইম নেই যে আমি ইংলিশ প্রাইভেট পড়তে যাব, and also I have no money that I can go to private for learning English. That's why I have a phone where I can practice my English, and also this phone has lots of application like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, lots of apps where you can practice English like this way. So don't think that you have no partner with whom you can practice. Don't think that you have no teacher who will teach you. Just you have to you have to strong power for learning English. You have to have passion about learning English. তোমার ইংলিশ শেখার সম্পর্কে একটা প্যাশন থাকতে হবে যে না, আমি ইংলিশ শিখবো, ইংলিশ শেখা আমার জরুরি। আমি যদি কোনো ভালো রেজাল্ট পেতে চাই, আমি যদি চাকরি পেতে চাই, তখন আমার এই ইংলিশটা খুব জরুরি। ওকে, দ্যাটস ওয়াই উই হ্যাভ টু লার্ন ইংলিশ, অ্যান্ড আই হোপ দ্যাট you are being able to understand, you are being able to hearing properly that what I am saying. I am right now I am making video in front of me. My cameraman, he is my younger brother, and he is also studying and study. So he should also learn English like this way, because as a student we should learn English, and I hope that it will help us a lot to improve ourselves, and we will get lots of things, and we will get benefit if you want to go to do any work. That time we need English, so we should practice like this way, and I hope that you will practice English, and I am dedicated to teach you English. So learn English with me. It will help you a lot when you will get some benefit. So thanks a lot for watching this video. See you in another video. Bye bye.